Welcome to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this chicken sandwich in the air fryer using a few ingredients. The ingredients I'll be using is avocado oil, pink Himalayan salt, ground pepper, Creole seasoning, roasted garlic powder, yellow mustard, as well as some chicken breast. I also did have some lime that I cleaned out the chicken breast and rinsed it under cold water. I cleaned the chicken breast with some lime juice, which I allowed to sit in the lime juice for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing under cold water. Then I pat it dry with paper towel. Once it was dry, I added avocado oil, yellow mustard, roasted garlic powder, Creole seasoning, salt, as well as ground pepper. Once I've added all of that seasoning, I went ahead and mixed it until everything was well combined. While the chicken breast is marinating on the counter, I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Once the air fryer is done preheating, I'm going to add the chicken breast into the air fryer basket. I turn the air fryer back on and select the chicken option. It will cook on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. It might take less time depending on the thickness of the chicken. Here is a close-up of how the chicken looked right out of the air fryer. To build the chicken sandwich, I have 2 slices of brioche bread that I did lightly toast and also a few pieces of romaine lettuce. I'm adding mayonnaise to one side of the bread. Feel free to add any topping you like, whether it's tomatoes, some bacon, any topping you like on a sandwich. But for me, I'm just using the lettuce, mayo, as well as the brioche bun. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make a chicken sandwich using the air fryer. The chicken is not dried out, it's very moist and it's packed with flavor. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.